Welcome students to our next class. Today we are going to learn about eclipse. So let's understand what eclipse is. So when you have a source of light and an observer, let's say I am an observer and the source of light is sun. When something or an object obstructs the light between the source and the observer, that phenomena is called eclipse. So we define eclipse in two ways. One is solar eclipse and another one is lunar eclipse, right? So the eclipse happens between the three celestial bodies. So what are the celestial bodies? You have sun, you have earth, and you have moon, right? So sun, earth, moon, right? So here sun is the source of light. The observer will be on earth looking at the sun, and moon is the object. So these three are the celestial bodies. Now when you know, right, earth revolves around the sun and moon revolves around the earth. So these kind of situation may happen that sun, earth and moon comes in a line, right? So in this scenario, the light from sun go past earth and earth casts its shadow on moon, and you are not able to see the moon. This is called lunar eclipse, right? Now imagine a situation where moon is revolving around the earth and then it comes in between. So you have sun, you have moon, and you have earth, right? So you have sun here, you have moon at the center, and you have earth at the end, all falling in line, right? So in this case, some part of the light gets obstructed by the moon and it stops it reaching from to earth. This phenomenon is called solar eclipse. This is solar eclipse. Because in this situation, because of the moon falling in between sun and earth, you are not able to see the sun clearly. So this particular situation is called solar eclipse. Now, what is the frequency of these kind of situations happen, right? So solar eclipse occurs every 18 months. So every 18 months there is a situation where moon comes in between, they come in line where moon is in the between, is at the center, and then there is a situation where earth is at the center. So this happens every 18 months and this happens every 6 months. So just to remember that, okay, what a solar eclipse is and what a lunar eclipse is, right? That's all for this class. Thank you.